Squidger, you always come to see me when I'm doing this. You always come to say hello. You always come to say hello. Hey? Wake up. Wake up, Squidger. Wake up, Squidger. Wake up, Squidger. Good pup. Ladies and gentlemen. Fuck. Boys and girls. Lads and ladettes. You know what time it is? Alright. I didn't think this through. Today's delivery has taken like 3 months to get here, thanks to the coronavirus. This fucking virus, man, is just ruining everything. You know? It's not even like a proper zombie plague virus. That would be alright. All apocalyptic zombie plans can go into effect. But like this, it's like, oh, wash your hands and don't cough on one another. People should be doing that anyway. So this took a while to come from Japan because of the virus and delays and stuff. They shipped it to Japan Post, and then Japan Post was like, yeah, nah, we're on lockdown, we're not shipping stuff anymore. So then they shipped it back to the warehouse, and I had to wait for them to reprocess everything, which took like a month, and then I had to pay for it to be shipped a different method, which, you know, took bloody forever. So all in all, it was about 2 months that I've been waiting for this. 3 was an exaggeration. It's been about 2. So this was meant to be here a lot sooner. And the reason I'm so bummed about it is because there's actually something in here that will help me finish the dash cluster on NooB. And I've been waiting to do that so I can finish off the video and finally upload it for you folks. But such is life. I don't know what else is in here because I forgot what I bought. It was so long ago.
It's been 84 years.
Actually, I think I know what that large one is. Oh, there's 2 large ones. Oh, there's 3 large ones. Oh god, that's heavy. Oh god, that's heavy. All the packaging back in here. That could be my table. I'll do the small ones first because they're probably not as interesting. And the first one I opened is the thing I was just talking about, which is the thing I need. I hope it's the thing I need. It's wiring diagrams. It's basically a Toyota engine manual on a CD. Bloody hell. Windows 2000 and XP. XP was the best operating system. But I'm hoping this has the wiring diagram I need. I won't know until I boot it up. So my screen capture program isn't bloody working. I've just quickly grabbed the GoPro here. This doesn't have what I need, unfortunately, but this CD is just a treasure trove of info. It's unreal. It's all in Japanese, but there is so much info here. Everything, it's just unreal. Like, there's so much info on here. I haven't gone all the way through it yet either, but you know, like I went to 3T GTE here. Well, check this out. GTE. There's the cutaways, turbo cutaway, the oil galleries. It's just, there's so much stuff here. And this is just the 3T GTE stuff. There's like another 3 links at the start of this, all with a whole set of links like this on the side. CD top there. And you've got more books that you can go through for each thing. There's just heaps. There's heaps. It's unbelievable. This is nuts. These are the little booklets you normally get with the car. Like, this is cool stuff, man. I need to definitely get this on the website for people, and it saves me doing scans. Saves me doing scans of the booklets I have in the shed when it's already all there, thanks to Toyota, on this CD. Yeah. This is awesome stuff. Anyway, back to the video. This feels like a shirt. Oh, I know what this is. This is cool. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. This is awesome. Fuck yeah. This was actually my phone background for a while. That is so cool. That's going to go somewhere in here. A brochure or a book of some form. I haven't got this. This is one I haven't got. I thought this was a brochure. Oh wow, I guess it is a brochure. Wow, there's some nice pictures of Celica's in here I haven't seen before. Try to give you a bit of a close up here. Check out the yellow coupe and the yellow liftback. Man, they look good. A little bit of advertisement for their Super on the back as well. That's a cool little brochure. It's only 4 pages, but I actually have a full brochure that's got that front picture on it. That's what I thought it was going to be when I opened it and saw that. So that's awesome. I know what this is. Oh wow. I'll give you as a bit of a taste of what this is. That is so cool. You'll be seeing more of these on the page. I won't show you all of them. Otherwise we'll be sitting here forever. Very rare dress keys. Newspaper. Something. It's a toy car, but it doesn't look like any of the ones I normally get. It's a... what is this? MA61. What? That is the coolest thing I've ever seen. I've never seen a toy MA61 like that before. Isn't that just awesome? That's one for the shelf. That was all the little parcels, which is fine. Like I said, there wasn't heaps in here. This is light. Let's open this. I know what this is. I try to buy these every time they pop up, just because they're so uncommon. I missed out on one, so I'm not too fussed about that. So this one popped up only a little bit later, and this one's in better nick than mine, because I've already got one of these, which I think was in one of the other videos, but it's dinged up. Wow, I've never seen one this clean. Wow. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to show you the interior in this or not, but it's just so freaking clean. I don't have one this clean. That's amazing. And I think my one's missing a tail light as well. Bloody awesome. What is this? This one's heavy. A lot of newspaper. What the hell? What is that suit? That's Toyota Crown? Or Cresta or something? I don't know. Chuck that in there. It looks like I might have got a random box of just junk. Wow, that's a glass lens. I think that's another one. I was expecting red. I don't know what these are from. Suzuki. This box is literally just a random box of like lenses and crap. There's heaps. What is this shit? Oh, that's cool. That's sick. That is so cool. Oh, I have so many ideas running through my head for this right now. I hope there's a matching pair in here. I mean, it's another fog lamp, but it doesn't really match. I don't know what brand that is. There's no markings. Yes! Yes! I have no idea what these are from. But they're cool. I'm gonna have to do some research. They look like that bolt spacing right there looks the exact same as RA40 Series B rubber bumpers. It's not quite the exact same pattern, but that's pretty fucking cool. That's way cool. Might have to run them on the GT maybe. Interesting. I wonder what they're from. Probably like Sora or something. That's another fog lamp. Toyota one. Don't know what model. So I'm gonna have a mismatched one. Oh, I'm gonna have 3 mismatched ones. Well, I mean, can't all be winners, but that matching pair is pretty awesome, isn't it? Now, this is the last box. Wow, they're heavy. I know what these are. That is awesome. That's TA22. That is so nice. I reckon I have one of these, exact same, except it's broken at the front. And there's more in here. Hey. Another 40 one, except they put the roof on backwards. Another RA40, mint. MA61, that's Supra. This is the last item. This is another TA22, but this one's larger because it actually has the little ashtray attachment. So you put your cigarettes in there, that's your ashtray. Bloody awesome. So there you have it, folks. That's the unboxing of this parcel. There's a lot of random stuff that I didn't even plan on getting. Stoked about this. Those keys are amazing, and you'll probably be seeing more of that on the page because I will be selling the ones that I'm not interested in, Crown and Corona and all that. I just want to keep some Celica ones. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video. So you'll be getting more videos hopefully soon. If you enjoy my videos, filler content, and me, please be sure to subscribe to the channel for updates. I'll see you in the next video. Catch us later.